Paideia at Reed is inspired by the practice and the word of ancient Greece, when every citizen of the polis, or the city-state of Athens, was expected to be harmoniously ready to participate in civic and intellectual life. Back in 1967, a freshman at Reed had the idea that the interim between the fall and the spring semester would be a good time for students, the alumni, and the faculty to draw up their own curriculum. Paideia was born.
I think it's really nice to connect with members of the community in like a way that's outside of the classroom. Paideia is sort of a space that we've established where students and alumni can bring skills that they usually don't have in the classroom. And we've turned it into like a week-long festival just to like see all of the amazing things that people at this school can do and are interested in teaching others is really exciting.
My name is Joe Janiga. The class I'm teaching here for Paideia 2020 is called Who's Your Mother? General Synthesizer Concepts as shown on the Moog Mother 32. Self-oscillating, I plug it into the external. Students were coming to me and asking for help on how to use it, and I thought Paideia is a good way to share it with the Reed community. Interacting with an analog synthesizer has many, if not all, of the aspects of playing an analog acoustic instrument. It seems to be intimidating to people. I hope I can help demystify it a little bit and also encourage experimentation and play on it, because like an acoustic instrument, it requires interaction and experimentation. Oftentimes that experimentation will yield results that you wouldn't have thought of. It's a very unique beast in that way.
My name is Lily Case. This year, I'm teaching a class on terrarium making with plants that we gather from the Reed College Canyon. A huge part of the reason why I wanted to do this class was to help students interact with the canyon in a new and unusual way. The canyon is an extremely delicate ecosystem. It's still kind of in the process of being restored. So the purpose of my class is definitely to help teach students a new way of kind of connecting with the ecosystem in terms of being able to identify plants and notice what things are invasive, but simultaneously being 100% respectful of the restoration project that we have. I think Paideia really gets to the core of what Reed is. Reedies are very self-driven and self-motivated, and we have so many different diverse interests in the community, and this is really just a way for everybody to be able to share it with everybody else.
I think that Reed has a really holistic approach to education. Paideia also has that holistic sense to it that students can teach and engage in so many different things and learn in different ways. I think it's very important that our school provides that space for us.
Paideia was born out of student initiative, and it is run entirely by students. There are very few colleges where students are empowered to be in charge of their own education. It is a kind of experiment in building an ideal community of learners.